Sawadee Cup. My name is Dr. Erik, and I am the Executive Medical Director at Bangkok Anti-Aging Center, but I am also an infectious disease specialist. So today, I want to talk about something that everybody is going to be talking about for the next few months, and that is this, the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, there's a lot of questions about it. Is it going to work? Will it hurt you? What does it do? How does it do it? Is it magic? Is it science? So I want to kind of break it down for you and tell you why it's very important to do it. And probably the first question you want to know is, am I going to take it? And I can tell you, yes, I am going to take it. I am confident that it will do what it's supposed to without the side effects and the concerns, and I'll tell you why through the science. So this is the COVID virus, okay? And what we're looking at, everybody knows COVID by these things sitting here. Those are called spike proteins. And this is what kind of identifies the COVID virus. So this vaccine, now there's two of them that are available now in the world. What this vaccine does is it takes just this protein, just this single spike protein, and it is using the genetic material from that called mRNA. Now this gets injected into your body. It goes into your immune system. It cannot give you the virus. It can't make the virus grow in your body. It's only a small piece of the virus. And this will make your body create a defense system against these spike proteins. What that means is your body will attack the coronavirus because it has these spike proteins. Now, the way that works is that this mRNA goes into the cell and makes things called antibodies. Now, these are antibodies. As you can see, these are the parts of your immune system that get made specifically to kill coronavirus. If you have these antibodies, which are these white and blue Y-shaped things, if they exist in your body, as soon as the virus gets into your body, these will grab it, kill it, neutralize it, and you will not get sick. And that's why this vaccine is very important. There's a few ways to make vaccines. Either they can actually give somebody a virus, that's called a live attenuated virus, that's old school. They can use killed virus, which is giving people the virus that can't replicate itself, or this new method called mRNA, which just takes a tiny piece of the virus and uses that to create the immune response that will get rid of the virus. Now, the reports show so far that there's two different vaccines you can take by two different companies. They're essentially the same. With one of them, you're going to take the vaccine on one day and then you'll take it 28 days later. On the second vaccine, you're going to take it on the first day and then 21 days later. The vaccine has been shown safe enough to release for emergency use. Now, has it been around forever? Are we sure that this vaccine is not going to hurt anybody? Scientifically, yes, we're pretty sure of it. There may be a few allergic reactions, but this is not going to start the zombie apocalypse. It's not going to change your DNA forever. I can tell you this because scientifically, it does not have the ability to do that. This will focus specifically on the COVID-19 virus. So I think it's something we're going to learn more about. It's something that is going on in the world right now. In America, they're vaccinating thousands and thousands of people. And in Thailand, we should get the vaccine next year, the government is telling us. In the meantime, there's a new spike of COVID cases in Thailand right now. Everybody's concerned about it. I would go back to the same thing that we were saying 8 months ago. If you can improve your immune system, if you can boost your defenses in your body, then you will likely be able to fight off COVID and be one of the 90% of the people, if you are unlucky enough to get COVID, who doesn't have symptoms from it, doesn't get sick, and does not end up in the hospital. Boosting the immune system is fairly easy. Get 7 hours sleep. Stop eating sugars. Do intermittent fasting. And there's certain supplements that can really charge your immune system at whatever age you are to be the most effective at killing not just the COVID virus, but any other bacteria, fungus, or other viruses that get in your body. The things that I recommend that we do at BAAC, number one, ozone therapy. Ozone therapy not only kills viruses in your blood, it stimulates your immune system. Number two, and probably the most popular thing we have, is the mega vitamin C and immune booster infusions. They are not expensive, they only take an hour to do, and this will bring your immune system up to its top level to surveil anything coming into your body. Third thing, NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAD is one of our most popular anti-aging vitamin infusions. What it also does besides keeping you young is it makes your immune system acutely functional so that if you do get an infection in your body, the immune response with these antibodies is much faster. The faster you can get an immune response, the faster these things are going to die and you're not going to get sick from them. So if you have more questions about this, about immunity, about protecting yourself against COVID, or about the vaccine, is it for you? Then please leave us some messages, call us at BAAC, and we're happy to answer all your questions. So from Dr. Erik, in the age of COVID, with this new fancy vaccine coming in, we wish you sawadee cup.